These free classes are amazing. A lot of companies don't know about Lean. The beauty about this simulation package, we can take the simulation package to the employer. So they're looking at excess transportation, motion, the inventory they have on the shop floor, the waiting time, the defects, and the overproduction and the overprocessing. So they're looking at that actively now, and obviously they're dealing with the numbers as well. They are looking at measuring and leading with data more. So as far as numeracy is concerned, I tend to hide it in and shoehorn it in without them thinking. So yes, we deal with percentages, we deal with averages, we have a look at data. Not many people within the classes know how to treat data. But we do it in a fun, non-pressured way, and sometimes they're doing maths without even thinking about it. So
yeah, this has been our second session of the lean manufacturing process, so it's been really good. It's got the team out of our factory environment, and we've been able to sort of like work as a team in a classroom environment. This type of course can be helpful, not just in manufacturing, but in a lot of different work environments as well. You've got some numbers to work with for recording data and assessing the improvements of each round. The day after the first session, people were already getting back to work, and we were able to discuss how we can implement these processes and changes in our own manufacturing unit. So yeah, it's been really, really good.
What we've been using, I just find it quite interesting because it's visual, a small scale model of what we kind of do in our factory. I do use numbers in work quite a lot, where I can see what I've wrote down, how much I've shipped out that week, but putting it on a whiteboard and looking at times to produce things and how much waiting time there was and stuff like that. I've been looking at things differently, and I can see that it is quite helpful to gather data and work out what's best and what's not from that data.
It's given me a bit of time for me to reflect on how I can assist better with my staff and the team, and I spend a lot more time now speaking with the staff about what they think the improvements can be done. So we're in a much better place with our manufacturing process now after the first session, so it's going to be interesting to see what we can do after this session as well.